Money, board. Find you. Puppy. Porgy. Money. Grass. There's some dirt in my Crocs. My gosh. I'm gonna go here. Oh my. Puppy. Dot. Dot, 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 dot. Tuna. Tuna. Guys, this brown thing from his nose is just a mark. Like one of these. Crawler. Monkey. Monkey joy. Oh my god, how dare you? Monkey. That's where he loves to sit on the wall. Flying. No fighting. No fighting. Oh my gosh. They're gonna fight. Puppy. The shadow. Puppy. Whoa, what are you doing? Puppy. 1 month. Oh my god, look at the sky, nature. It's just strangers, dogs. Just strangers. Don't need to bark. I'm literally doing this. I'm just bored. And I wanna do this. Monkey. It's just the neighbor's dog barking. Not this neighbor dog. There's no dog there. Those neighbor dogs is monkey. Puppy. Puppy. Whoa. He said run. To the puppy. To the puppy. Boss puppy. Yes. He was my first best friend. Because it's a dog. You know, dogs can be our best friends. So that's my first best friend. Puppy! He just became big. 1 month. Winnie looks like a literal weird, abnormal fox. She rolls everywhere. She like jumps. But not on video. She just does it when I open the gate and then they all run there. And I open the gate, they all run there. Like, that's too normal for them. But they're not allowed to go there. I don't know. I'm gonna go in the corner. I can go in the corner. Okay, there's literally no poop. Don't mind that hole because Mooney dig it. She is a literal rat killer. What is that? Papi! It's beautiful. There's the malunggay. It's growing. I'm going to put Yell on Monkey J's house. Papi! Oh my god, what are you doing? It's just the dogs, guys. I will just put Yell here because I'm gonna get some breakfast. Let me get some breakfast. Don't mind my son. I do like Roblox. Monkey! Why are you digging a hole? Wait, guys. Got some breakfast. Alright. Papito. So we're back with the breakfast. Yes, slipper. Whoa! Honey! Honey! Okay, ready, let's go! Go to Monkey J's house! So we're in front of Monkey J's house. And in front of the garage. Monkey's house is this one. What? This is Monkey's house. Don't mind what's on top of it. This is a literal broken fan graveyard. It's not broken fan, not working anymore. Or cannot be fixed. Monkey's house is literally half inside the garage. Go, got some bread. Let's race. First challenge is normal racing. Always start with the normal racing. Okay, let's go to the starting line. Alright, Bobby. Energize. Energize yourself. Oh no, energize yourself. Energize yourself. Right. Ready, set, go! Okay, then we're gonna go start like that. Let's go, dogs. Let's go to the red spot. Okay, never mind because mango. Next challenge, ninja run. Alright. Good choice. Good choice. Jump, jump, jump. Good job. Jump. Good. Okay. Okay. Ready, set, go. Let's go back. Next challenge is fighting. Fighting. Punch by Moni. Oh no, that's not how it works. You're not supposed to fight each other. You're supposed to fight me. Guys, they're literally fighting. They're literally about to fight. Borgie! They are about to fight. What is happening to Monkey's feet? It's literally orange. I don't know if I can continue the fight. Because I got punched by the Moni. Alright. Run! Go to the gate! And now stop fighting. And then we go to the start. Monkey's jealous because he isn't on video. He's not on video. Monkey jealous. Money. Puppy. You know the big dog is Puppy. He's a boss dog. I want to go bike. Wait, guys. I'm just gonna... Let's put this on the table first. Let's go, doggies. Yeah? I cannot bike. Ashi. I cannot bike because of my cat. Wow. This tastes like cream cheese. Well, it's not. It's cheese. Cheese. Ashi. No. My cat was supposed to see us, but he didn't go to his sandbox. So he did nothing. Dad, Ashi did nothing. Okay. Done feeding the cat. Guys, I'm pretty tired, so I'll just bike in the afternoon. And this is the end of the video. Bye.